really a video I wanted to make, but due to Michigan roads, I'm kind of being forced to. Driving along, hear a loud bang going over Michigan roads, of course hit a pothole, and all of a sudden my tire indicator flashes and my tire's flat. However, weirdly enough, I guess not weirdly enough, but with the Camaros, they come with RunFlats. So I'm currently driving home right now on a completely flat tire. Check this out, my indicator is wrong. It should be the right front, but it's not. Currently driving home on a completely flat tire. I have Easy Care, the service I bought when I got the car, and they were kind enough to not tow me. I don't know why, but they wouldn't tow the car, whatever, I don't know, something stupid. It's still covered, so I have to take it to the dealership instead. But I'm driving the car back to drop off at the dealer. So yeah, I've never blown out a tire on this car before. It didn't pull at all. It felt fine. It pulls a little to the right now that it's completely flat. But I tried looking at the tire to see if there was a blowout or something, and I'm not seeing anything. So I'm wondering if the rim's bent, which might suck, which would hopefully still be covered too. But I just wanted to go to show you guys that you 100% can drive on a RunFlat that's flat, as you can see. And if you notice, if I take my hands off the steering wheel, the car pulls pretty hard to the right now. So yeah, it sucks, but that is one nice thing about having the RunFlats. I guess you can drive back on them. So I'm driving back from work. I just got back from the gym actually. But when I get home, I'm gonna pull the tire off and see if we can inspect some more damage, see if it's on the backside, and see what really went wrong. Then we'll get it over to the dealership and have them replace it. All right, guys, so I successfully made it home. The car drove great on RunFlat. Surprisingly, it wasn't awesome, but it definitely wasn't like flat tire noticeable. So anyways, as you can see, I got the wheel off the car right there, and there's actually a lot more damage than I thought. So upon further inspection, obviously I found the wheel was punctured right here, and also it looks like my rim's bent. It might be kind of hard to see from the video, but you can see the bend. I can actually feel it with my finger, so I don't know if I can actually get that on camera. Maybe there, but you can see it's actually bent. But I'll tell you what, the RunFlat did an awesome job of getting me home, and this is all dipped, by the way. I plastic dipped my wheels. Yeah, I know, it's not cool, but whatever. But did a great job of getting me home. You're supposed to be able to drive 50 miles, taken to the dealership tomorrow, and hopefully everything replaced under the Easy Care coverage, which I've been doing for a while now. If you ever get a nail or whatever, your tire, they'll replace it for free. So far for me, the Easy Care plan has definitely been worth it. As I'm sure some of you know, RunFlats are not cheap tires. They're probably about $450 a piece. They're ridiculously expensive. But I've gotten probably 4 or 5 maybe, completely covered under the warranty. I thought it was like $700 to buy when you first buy the car. But I've been getting nails and stuff in my tire, or you get a bubble and the tire starts losing air. Just things like that is completely covered, so I've definitely got my worth out of it. Obviously, with $700 and each tire is $450, this could potentially be a rim, which brand new rims aren't cheap either from OEMs. So definitely would be worth it. RunFlats, not a great track tire, but this is the first good use I've actually gotten out of it to actually make it home. Because like I said before, Easy Care wouldn't cover the tow truck or whatever, because I don't know, it was weird. It should have been covered, and the dealership couldn't do anything either, neither could OnStar. So I was able to get home, and I'm going to drive back to the dealership tonight to get all that replaced, and hopefully have tomorrow at some point. But like I said, definitely worth it. The only thing that it ruined was the plastic up around the edge of the wheel, which I want to get black when my wheels powder coated at some point anyways, so that doesn't really matter. But yeah, definitely worth the investment, I would say, 100%. But as always, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to drop a like on the channel and comment for more of what you'd like to see. And don't forget to subscribe. There's some awesome things coming I've got planned. Be sure to check it out.